Students, in previous video of class 8 science chapter 3 synthetic fibers and plastic, I told you many more things in which we have read about rayon, which is a synthetic fiber. Students, I told you that rayon is not a complete synthetic fiber. But the next, what about we have to read as nylon, polyester and acrylic are synthetic fiber, and at last we will read about plastic. Plastic is made a separate part because its uses and its section is so vast, so we will discard it from this section. We will read in the separate section. Now here you should know that all of these are formed by petroleums, and so they are called petroleum products. Now here a diagram has been given in which you can see that how the petroleum products are to be cracked by fractional distillation, and different things are to be obtained. As in the first picture, you see that when natural gas, which is producing methane, and methane is again cracked in fractional distillation, you find acetylene as well as formaldehyde. Again, acetylene is changed into polythene, acrylic and PVC. PVC is used as a plastic material, about which we will learn more in next video. Again, formaldehyde is changed into bakelite. Bakelite is a common thing which you see in electrical appliances. Again, petroleum, which is CHO, it is also cracked in fractional distillation furnace, and again it is divided, it is broken into acetylene, again propylene, butylene, benzene and naphthalene. Now here you can see that propylene is again changed in propylene, butylene changed into butadiene, and benzene is used in nylon and bakelite. As well as naphthalene is to be used in polyester by cracking, about which now we go to read in detail.
Let's learn about synthetic fibers today. Switch on to the virtual world. Let's begin the module on synthetic fibers with an illustration. Diwali is a festival of lights, crackers and sweets. Children are all excited to light candles at night and blow crackers. This little girl is in her best dress. But look, she is wearing a polyester dress. Her mother says a firm no to a polyester dress while the little girl goes out to fire crackers. One should be dressed in cotton dress while playing with firecrackers. Wondering why are cotton dresses preferred over polyester dresses, especially while firing crackers? Let's find out more on polyester fiber in this module on synthetic fibers, where we study what are synthetic fibers and characteristics of synthetic fibers. What is a synthetic fiber made of? Let's consider this situation. Mother and daughter are on a shopping spree. They got to gear up for a camping trip, so they need some clothes a sleeping bag, and a portable tent. Ah, the girl likes a pink dress and a blue dress. But the mother prefers the pink one. You see, the pink dress is made of polyester, which is a synthetic fiber. Blue dress is made of cotton, which is a natural fiber. We see that synthetic fibers are cheaper and more affordable than natural fibers. Let's conduct another test of texture of the dress. When crushed, polyester pink dress does not get wrinkled easily, whereas cotton dress does. Hence, dresses made of synthetic fibers do not get wrinkled easily and are easy to maintain. Hence, the smart mother selects the pink polyester dress for her daughter. The next in shopping list includes a tent and a sleeping bag. Both these are typically made of nylon. But why nylon? This is because nylon is highly durable and strong. Next in the list are some warm woolen clothes. Acrylic is another synthetic fiber that is used to make woolen clothes. Acrylic clothes are durable and cheap. To sum up, polyester, nylon and acrylic are all different types of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are durable, less expensive, readily available and easy to maintain, and hence go easy on pocket as well. A synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. These small units are actually chemical substances. Depending on the type of chemical substance joining, many types of synthetic fibers are obtained. The various types of synthetic fibers can be polyester, nylon, and acrylic.
Nylon was the world's first fully synthetic fiber. It was developed by the American scientist Wallace H. Carothers and his associates in 1940. स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा माना जाता है कि नायलॉन दुनिया में द्वितीय विश्व युद्ध के बाद अपने अस्तित्व में आया, क्योंकि उस समय न्यूयॉर्क और लंदन के बाज़ारों में इसे बड़ी मात्रा में बेचा गया। चूँकि नायलॉन एक ही समय न्यूयॉर्क और लंदन में आविष्कृत हुआ था, इसलिए इसका नाम नायलॉन दिया गया। स्टूडेंट्स, you know that nylon is a synthetic fiber that is made up with coal, air, water and agriculture byproduct. Now it is made up of by the reaction of acetic acid and hexamethylene diamine in the appropriate circumstances. Now children, we know about the properties of nylon. It is very strong due to high tensile strength. Second, it is shiny and elastic. Third, it is easy to wash. Next, it is lightweight and it can be easily dyed in various colors. Students, it absorbs less water and dries quickly. It retains its shape. It has wash and wear properties. It is easy to maintain as it is wrinkle free. It is soft and smooth. It is a long lasting fiber and it is resistant to attack by moths, fungus, etc. So children, you have seen that what are the qualities of nylon, and so it is popular among us. Now children, we will learn about uses of nylon. In clothing to make dresses, tracksuits, socks, swimwear, raincoats, stockings, socks. In making curtains, bed sheets, etc. In making ropes, parachutes, fishing nets, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, racket strings, tires, umbrellas, etc. Polyester. Polyester is one of the most widely used synthetic fibers in the world. It is a long chain polymer of a chemical substance called ester. Children, polyester is known as terylene in England, Dacron in America and terene in India. इसे इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल और इथिल टरथैलेट के बीच कैटलिस्ट एस्टर विनिमय द्वारा अच्छी तरह बनाया जाता है. नाउ वी शैल नो अबाउट प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ पॉलिएस्टर. It is extremely strong and tough. It is lightweight. Now it is durable. It does not get wrinkled easily. It is resistant to most chemicals. It is easy to wash. It does not shrink or stretch. It dries quickly and it can be dyed in various colors as well as it absorbs very little water. Usage of polyester. It is used in textile industries and it is used to blend with other fibers as polycotton, polywool and terrycloth. By mixing polyester and cotton, polyester and wool and terylene and cotton respectively. Acrylic is a synthetic fiber which is substitute to wool. Properties of acrylic. It is warm, soft and lightweight. It is easy to wash and it dries quickly. It is easy to dye in various colors and has excellent color fastness. It does not shrink or stretch or wrinkle. Usage of acrylic. It is used in making sweaters, shawls, socks and sportswear etc. It is used for making blankets, awning and rugs. Now children, in the next video we will learn about plastics.